What are you doing?
Looking at letters.
You're looking at the letters?
Yes.
You're reading the Atlantic?
Yes.
She's a good reader.
What do you see there?
Yellow.
She's a good reader.
What do you see, Bub?
Letters.
Some letters. Nice. Can you say can I change you? Can we get rid of the Atlantic right now? No?
Nickel.
Is that a nickel? I think it's a quarter. Oh, it is a nickel. Yep, you're right. All right, Bub, say goodbye to everyone.